Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel English with Harendra. Today I am here because I want to learn English and improve English. So today we will discuss about my village. This is day 7. So I live is beautiful village in Mathura in Uttar Pradesh, and my village is surrounded by green trees and fields, and nature is so good, environment is so good, very nice, and my village is clean and peaceful, and the most of the people are farmer. They grow crops like mustard crop and wheat and vegetable also. They lived peaceful life, and they wake up early in the morning and go to temple and do worship to God. The most of people are friendly in my place, so it's very beautiful. Today I'm talking about that time. It's so friendly because they go to the children go to school, and evening time we play together. So if you want to see my place, and we can come here, and whatever I tell you, pupils are very helpful in my village. Okay, so they live with simple life and grow so many crops. And today I have discovered, if you live in any place, so you know very well, you can purchase vegetable easily and naturally, because so many vegetable selling I don't know fertilizers included vegetables, but you can purchase anything easily. And people helped a lot because they lived in each other. So if you have any problem, so you can see your neighbor, then neighbor is definitely helped you, will help you, definitely will help, because all people are connected each other, because this is a family. Okay, so or let me share something, because I am from Mathura. You know very well, the Lord Sri Krishna was born in this district, and so many temples here in my district. For example, like Vanke Bihari temples in Vrindavan, Dwarkadish temple in Mathura. You can visit here, and if you are coming here Mathura, then you feel very peaceful life and you feel very energetic. At least you should come here twice once. Okay.